So how do you search for domains on your Squarespace account? Well, luckily, it's really, really easy. Let's say, like me, you've got about 500 domains sat on your account. Who can be bothered scrolling all the way through or even adding tags, to be honest? Easiest way is just going to be bang it in search and find it. So in this video, I'm going to show you really quickly how to do it. So I'm on my account dashboard here. All you have to do is click into domains. You'll have a big list of all your domains down here. You'll be able to sort by status, provider, expiration date. All we need to do is go into this search bar here. So I'm going to click in and I'm going to look for my own. So by Crawford, and you can see it pops up here. So you can see the site that's attached, the domain, that it's got a Google Workspace subscription, it's active, it's provided by Squarespace, and this is when it expires. If you then want to click into the domain itself, you click in and you'll see all the details in here. And honestly, it's as easy as that. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.